Dry weather can take quite the toll on your complexion, but recently we learned a trick, which we're going to share with you today, that helps your moisturizer work even harder. What trick is this? Adding essential oils to your moisturizer. Not only does this nourish and moisturize your skin, but it also calms your mind and may even become sort of a bedtime ritual. If you're sleeping with a humidifier, applying moisturizer to damp skin, and even lowering your shower temperature, and you feel like nothing else is working, try this tip. City Beauty's Essential Oil Moisturizer Blend. Here's what you'll need: Chamomile Essential Oil, Rose Essential Oil, and Jojoba Essential Oil. Chamomile is an essential oil proven to relieve skin irritation and hydration. It also promotes sleep quality and helps with relaxation. Rose Essential Oil is able to moisturize and soften the skin, smoothing out any dry and rough texture. It's also anti-inflammatory, which is a great help for the redness and irritation that often follows dry skin. Jojoba oil is a humectant, meaning it's great at hydrating skin with a sealing protective barrier of moisture. It's also anti-inflammatory and often used to calm irritation that's so common during the winter. Here's how to use it. At the end of your bedtime skin routine, grab your usual moisturizer and scoop a dime-size amount into your palm. Then, add 1 drop of essential oil and mix it into your moisturizer with your fingers. Apply it to your face and neck in upward motions. The best part of this tip is you can tailor it to fit your skin needs specifically. These are a few of our favorite hydrating essential oils, but there are loads that you can choose from. We recommend using a maximum of 3 essential oils in order to not overwhelm your skin. And remember, always do a patch test on your arm before applying to your face. While all these essential oils are gentle, it's better to be safe. We also love this trick because it's as therapeutic as it is hydrating. While the oils are helping your moisturizer work even harder to soothe your skin, they're also calming the mind, helping you relax before bed. Here's to your skin being more hydrated and your mind being relaxed. If you like this tip, like this video or comment below. Remember to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Love, City Beauty.